Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slap. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new Olaplex No.8 Moisture Mask. This is brand new from Olaplex. Because we've been in lockdown for 5 months, my hair has definitely suffered as a result of not being able to go to the salon. So when news of this launch came out, I was very excited to try it. I'm always on the hunt for anything that's going to help repair my hair. So I'm going to be trying it out for you guys today. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slap family. And without further ado, guys, here is the video. Today I'm going to be trying out the brand new Olaplex Moisture Mask. This is brand new from Olaplex. I love the idea of Olaplex doing a mask. I've tried a few of their products. Whenever I go to the salon, I get an Olaplex treatment because my hair gets dyed and it gets super dry. So I was really excited to try it. It is £26 and 28 US dollars. As you can see, my hair is an absolute state. It's been over 4 months, almost 5 months since I last went to the hairdresser. My hair was already in a bit of a state before, but now it is much worse. Every time I'm alone with my hair for too long, something goes awry, but it is holding out. I'm gonna quickly wash my hair. I'm gonna do a bit of purple shampoo just to sort out my highlights. I really wanted to try the new Moroccan oil purple shampoo. It is a lot more gentle on my hair than the Red Chem one, but the Red Chem one makes my highlights look brand spanking new. It actually makes them look better than when they were brand spanking new. So I'm going to be getting that one again when I run out of this. But unfortunately for me, this has lasted a very long time, which is good. But I just really want to go back to the Red Chem one. But the Red Chem conditioner is also really good. I was using the Bread Hair Mask Creamy Deep Conditioner. I've watched a couple of reviews on it. Everyone said it was really good. They said the only thing that was annoying was the packaging. And at the time I was watching the videos like, packaging seems really cool. I didn't know what you're talking about. But now I'm near the end. I realise what they're talking about, and the packaging is really annoying because you have to like try and scoop it all out of every crevice, and it just would be so much easier if you could tip it upside down and get the last bits out. So unfortunately you can't do that, but I'm going to use the last of it today. When I'm shampooing my hair and I'm not doing a tone, I use the Charlotte Mensa Manchetti Oil Shampoo. It's the most beautifully packaged shampoo. She's a British hairdresser. She's done my hair a few times. She didn't make it look like this. She's so lovely. She's really nice. I absolutely love her. And she has a salon in Notting Hill, but she also has all of these hair products. Her conditioner is probably my favorite conditioner. But today is all about this Olaplex No.8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. If you know about Olaplex, you will know that they are like the super technical salon professional hair care brand. Their products are supposed to help rebuild the bonds of your hair and repair your hair. Moisturizes, smooths, adds body and shine, suitable for all hair types, 100 ml and 3.3 fluid ounces. The reason I bought this is because they had before and after pictures of hair, different hair types, different hair textures, and the curly haired one, it looked like this. And then afterwards it looked really nice and glossy. It's curly. So I felt like this is what I need. Since I've only got 2 or 3 weeks until I go to the salon, this hopefully will tide me over. Also make them think that I've been really good with my hair and I haven't let it get to this state. So that is the hope. I wanted to show you what it truly looks like at the moment so that we could really see how good this product is. Infused with patented Olaplex bond building technology, this highly concentrated 4-in-1 reparative mask adds shine and body while providing intense moisture to treat damaged hair. Work through with fingers, leave on for 10 minutes, rinse fully and style as usual. Use weekly for best results. Start with 2 pumps for shoulder length hair. Use more for longer, thicker hair, less for fine or short hair. So I'm just going to show you the packaging. It smells absolutely amazing. Let's see what's in here. Avocado oil, meadow foam seed oil, rosehip oil, maybe that's it. Oh, it smells so good. Jojoba, esters, hyaluronic acid, hemp oil, sunflower seed oil. It's got fragrance in it. It smells really lovely. And it has a pump, which is quite unique for a mask. Masks are normally like in a big tub and you kind of scoop out the product, you slather it on your hair. I've never really had a mask in a pump, so that's quite unique, quite different. Also quite different for like conditioners and things to be in this type of packaging. They're normally in like tall squeezy tubes. It's an airless container, so you should be able to get everything out of it, which is really good. Going to quickly wash my hair and then I will be back to show you guys the Olaplex. So my hair is clean. which is great. It's still a bit wet, which is also great. So I'm just going to start with this moisture mask. I'm just going to go section by section. It says apply to clean damp hair, mid-length to ends, use sparingly on the roots, work through with fingers. So I'm just going to start from the front. I really like the way it comes out. I think that's super helpful. It's super creamy. So I'm just going to work my way through. It's already softening it. It does feel very moisturizing, and I can see where I've put it on there, that it's just kind of helping bring back life to that curl. Don't know if you can see it. It's quite good. It feels very bouncy again. It's got like a spring to it again, which it just hasn't had for absolutely ages. Oh, it feels amazing. Okay, so trying to be quick. Working it through, making sure it's even. I feel like this has made such a huge difference already. I don't know if I'm being like over the top. Wow, this is it. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh, I forgot it was even like this. It's got a really nice bounce to it. It moves again. You can see some of the curls. I think I can't see, but I feel like you can see some of the curls. I'm gonna show you the back. I'm going to time this for 10 minutes. This is it, finished, 10 minutes in. It's definitely been in longer at the back, so I feel like the back is going to be a bit stronger, but I do want the back to be strong anyway, so I'm just going to rinse this out. And you can really see that bounce. Yeah, it feels so light. It's really, really nice. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick close-up. This side isn't as bouncy as this side for some reason, because this side's a bit more tangly. I think it could have done with a bit more combing through with my fingers. Ta-da! So this is it with a bit of the curl enhancing smoothie in. I've never used it as a leave out. This is it. I think this is a perfect time to put in a before and after photo. What I looked like before when it was like, blah, and now got curls. So yeah, I really like this, guys. I think it's amazing. I definitely would recommend it. If your hair is damaged or dry or thirsty, I think that moisture mask is absolutely amazing. It's a really good price as well. It's £26, really good value for money. I haven't used too much, considering I used a lot. There's still quite a lot left, which is good. So I think I've got like at least 4 more uses out of it. So I think it's amazing. I love the smell, I love the packaging, it's super easy to use. I love the pump dispenser, I love the price. I love how it looks, and I absolutely love how it performs. I'm really, really happy with this. I feel like my hair looks so much better. Looks like hair again, which is great. Absolutely love this mask, it's amazing. I would definitely be using it. I would definitely highly, highly recommend it. I think it's so good. It's really brought my hair back to life. It looks curly again, it looks healthy, and it has a really nice bounce. to it again, which it hasn't had in months. So I've tried so many things in the last few months trying to get my hair back to its original state, and nothing has worked until this. I really like it. I have no bad things to say about it. So hopefully you found it helpful, hopefully you found it useful. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slap family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.